Welcome! If you want to stay updated every time someone remixes your reel on Instagram, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, enabling notifications for remixing your reel from your PC is easier than ever. Let's walk through the steps so you never miss a remix or a chance to connect with your audience. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. There, you'll see a menu with several icons. Find the one labeled More. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked together, and click on it. A new menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This is where you can manage all your account preferences, including your notifications. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Notifications option and click on it. This section lets you control exactly which alerts you want to receive while using Instagram on your computer. Next, enter the Push Notifications section. Here, you'll find a detailed list of all the different types of notifications Instagram can send you. Scroll down until you find the Remixes option. This is the specific setting that controls notifications when someone remixes your reel. To make sure you get notified, simply choose On. That's it. Now, whenever someone remixes your reel, you'll get a notification right on your desktop. This feature is perfect for creators who want to engage with their audience and keep track of how their content is being used by others. Remember, enabling push notifications on your browser means you'll get these updates even if you're not actively browsing Instagram. Just make sure your browser allows notifications from Instagram. With these simple steps, you'll always be in the loop whenever your reels are remixed. Stay creative, stay connected, and keep inspiring others to join in.